Hello, welcome. Question number 2, WASSCE 2025 Nigeria subjective test question. The product of the ages of Edu and Tanko is 9 less than Akofe's age. If Tanko is 4 years older than Edu and Akofe's age is 6 times Tanko's age, we have to find Akofe's age. Now, when it comes to word problem relating to ages of people, and one is expressed in terms of the another, you look for the smallest age or the person with the smallest age and represent that with what? A variable. So let's see. Let's forget about the first part of the statement and come back to if Tanko is 4 years older than Edu, meaning between Tanko and Edu, then Edu become the younger person, right? And Akofe's age is also 6 times that of what? Tanko. Meaning in this case, Akofe's age is also bigger than Tanko. So the smallest among them here is going to be Edu. So first thing first, we let X represent Edu's age. So when X represents Edu's age, let's come here. Then Tanko age become 4 years older, meaning X plus what? 4. Edu's age plus 4. Then Akofe's age is now going to be 6 times Tanko. So 6 times the age of what? Tanko. Now we are saying product of their ages of Tanko and Edu. So this implies that product of X and X plus 4 is equals to 9 less than Akofe's age, which is 6x plus 4 minus what? 9. Or 9 plus this will be equals to that of what? Akofe's age. So this becomes linear equation. We can expand x times x, x squared, x times 4, 4x, 6 times x, 6x, 6, 4, 24, then minus what? 9. What do? We can now group like terms, bring all to the left, making x squared plus 4x minus 6x. I think this is going to be 15. So minus 15 equals what? 0. What do? We can now simplify this here and have x squared 2 minus 6, 4 minus 6. That will give you minus 2x minus 15 equals to 0. Find factors of negative 15. When you add, you will get a negative 2. 3 and 5 give you 15. To get a negative 2, 5 must be the bigger number that will have the negative. So I have x minus 5 as the first factor, x plus 3 as the second factor. That means x minus 5 is 0, or x plus 3 is what? 0. That makes your x to be 5 or what? Negative 3. Remember, we are dealing with what? Ages of a person. So we cannot find this. So I can only say, therefore, Edu's age is what? 5 years. So if Edu's age is what? 5 years, I can find Tanko's age, right? Tanko's age is 4 more than that of Edu, which is going to be 9. So 9 years. Then Akofe's age is going to be 6 times that of what? Tanko's age, which is 54 years. So these are the ages of the people, but we are asked to find this. So this is the last one we did. I guess concept clear. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for more.